All right, class, very good job with your first two-letter phonogram. So what we're going to look at right now is a wall chart that I'm going to start. And when I write the letters in right now, I want you to write them in. And remember, always say them while we write them. Let's see. So when we were learning, we haven't talked about vowels and consonants yet. We'll talk about that a little bit more later. But let me tell you the vowels. A, A, E, I, E. Ya, I, E. A, O, U, U, U. All right, so all of those sounds that I just said, did you notice anything about them? Did any of them have just one sound? Excellent, you're right. All of our vowels have more than one sound. And so what we want to do is figure out, how do we know which vowel sound to use? Okay? Because none of the vowels have just one sound. They have 2, 3, or 4 sounds. So we have to know, when we're reading a word, how do we know which sound to use for the vowel? All right, so we're going to start talking about this. When we have a single vowel, how do we know which sound to use? All right, so let's start by just putting our vowels down here. So I'm going to write the first vowel that we come to as we're going through the alphabet, and I want you to say the sounds for me. Class, what are the sounds of that vowel? Excellent, there. A, A. All right, now the next vowel, while we're going through the alphabet from beginning to end, is this one. What are the 2 sounds of this vowel? Very good. E. All right. When we're going through, the next vowel we get to is this one. What are the sounds of this one? Good. The sounds are I, E. Now the next vowel that I'm going to put is not the next one that we come to in the alphabet, but I always put it by this one because it has the same vowel sounds, and that is this one. So what are the sounds of this? So right, you may have said 4 sounds, which is just right. The sounds are ya, I, E. This is a really, really special letter. We're going to learn more about that later, but let me just tell you, this one can be a consonant or it can be a vowel, and we'll talk about that more later on in that lesson. But it has the same vowel sounds as our I, E. So we always put them together on our charts, and I always put a little bracket around them to help you remember these guys have the same vowel sounds. All right, the next one we get to is this one. What are the sounds of this vowel? Good, the sounds are A, O, U. All right, our last vowel is this one. What are the sounds of this vowel? Good, they're U, U. All right, very nice, class. So I just wanted to get the vowels down here. We're going to come back to this chart later on, and we're going to put some words on here, but right now I just wanted us to go over which of the phonograms that we've learned so far are vowels, and these are the ones that are vowels.